Tucked quietly within the golden tussock grasslands at the base of New Zealand's Ben Ohau Range, the Skylark Cabin stands as a modest yet evocative retreat. Designed by Barry Connor Design, this 50-square-meter dwelling isn't just a shelter. It's a serene hideaway crafted to immerse its occupants in nature's rhythm. From its compact footprint to its carefully framed views, every detail speaks of harmony with the land. The cabin was designed in response to a deeply personal brief. The clients envisioned a place where time slows down, a retreat where they could watch shadows move across the mountains, observe skylarks dancing in the wind, soak in the star-filled night sky, and simply relax. This intimate connection with the landscape, both visual and emotional, became the foundation for the design. Materials are intentionally honest and understated. The home's modest scale is offset by its strong design gestures, such as the bold burnt orange steel frames that define the entry porch and carport. This vivid color, requested by the clients, contrasts beautifully with the neutral tones of the tussock-covered land and helps highlight the structural rhythm of the architecture. Spatially, the cabin is composed of two slightly offset volumes. One wing holds the bedroom and bathroom, positioned precisely to welcome the soft glow of the morning sun year-round. The second wing houses the kitchen, entry, and living area, all oriented toward expansive views of the dramatic Ben Ohau Range. This dual orientation allows occupants to experience a continuous dialogue with the surrounding peaks from different corners of the home. The offset angle isn't arbitrary. It was carefully calculated based on various sightlines and activities, from lying in bed to doing the dishes or taking a shower. This level of thoughtful design enhances the experience of everyday moments, transforming them into opportunities to connect with the surrounding landscape. The dynamic geometry also pays homage to the local skylarks, whose sharp aerial movements inspired the folded roofline. Beyond the aesthetic, the cabin is designed with functionality in mind. The entry links directly to a carport supported by a series of structural frames, leading to a concealed storage area and bike racks. This seamless integration of utility and form allows the cabin to remain compact without sacrificing comfort or convenience, especially for those staying as guests in this luxury retreat. Ultimately, the Skylark Cabin is more than a weekend getaway. It's a design lesson in how to create meaningful space within a small footprint. Every decision, from the site orientation to the expressive angles and natural palette, works toward creating a place that not only reflects its environment but invites visitors to slow down, look up, and breathe deeply. It's a small structure with a big presence, quietly poetic and profoundly grounded.